Hello students, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about Nari Gursahani Law College. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in CET law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Thane, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. So now talking about the total number of seats available in this college. So for 3 years LLB program, this college offers 60 seats. And also for 5 years integrated LLB program, this college offers 60 seats. So now talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination. So if you are targeting this law college, so for 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 91 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. And in case if you are preparing for 5 years LLB program, you need to score more than 69 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. And in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a free mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store, and also the application link is available in the description box. So you can download the application and you can give this mock test and you can come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. So basically there are two examinations. So if you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And if you are preparing for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare yourself for the examination. The next step is to register yourself for the examination. After that you get the hall ticket. Hall ticket में जो examination center होता है वो examination center पे जाके आपको entrance exam देना होता है. After that you get your results, and on the basis of that एक online centralized admission process होता है जिसको हम cap round भी बोलते हैं, where you are supposed to select the college preferences, and on the basis of that you are allocated one college, and वो college में जाके आपको document submission करना होता है, and after that you get admission in that particular law college. So this is the admission process. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put your question in the comment section. Also you can directly contact us on 8383818888. You can also access to our website, that is www.beeducare.com. And अगर आपने आपका preparation start नहीं किया है, then you can contact us to start your preparation for CET law examination. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET law exam, and we provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes, we provide video lecture programs, and we also provide books as well as mock exams. So you can download the application from Play Store. Also it is available on Apple Store. So after downloading the application, you can give the mock test and you can access the other courses as well. In case if you want to know more about this college and you want to know more about Maharashtra CET law examination, you can contact us on this number, and you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.